Today, Bericap celebrates a significant milestone by opening its new Global IT Competence Centre in Pune, India. Norbert von Poblotzki, Bericap Group IT Director, inaugurated this new facility. He was joined by Swapnil Kulkarni, General Manager of Bericap Global IT Services, and Rajesh Pantsachiv, General Manager of Bericap India, marking the commencement of a new digital transformation era within the Bericap Group.
So Bericap India, we started in 2001, JV with a company called SL Propack, and in 2007 we set up our own factory in Talegaon, which is close to Pune. It has been a fantastic journey since 2007 to 2024, quite adventurous in that sense because we were one of the first companies to start the single pack closure for beverages, and nobody was ready to accept it at the beginning, but now slowly we build up this company. Now we are quite strong with around 250 people, and we have been growing for the past 6-7 years at a CAGR of 13-14%.
Today we are here for the inauguration of the Bericap India IT. It has shown its brand, and with lot of enthusiastic and energy we are here.
At the launch of this new office, it is just not a strategic decision, but this is a new innovation and driving new IT to the new level, create a one benchmark, and not just for IT but whole Bericap group, that whatever IT needs will fulfill from this office. And I am really excited being a founder team member that put my 100% and take it on the next level of IT.
As you can see from the energy over here today and from these bright faces, that we are not just a scattered group of people, now we are a family, and that is what the feeling is for everyone here, especially after today.
With 29 manufacturing plants and a presence in over 100 countries, Bericap is a leader in plastic and aluminium closures. To centralize, optimize its related services and drive digitalization, Bericap Group recognized the need to establish a dedicated IT center in a key location like India. This decision stems from a thorough analysis of market trends, cost effectiveness, and talent availability, all of which point to India as an ideal destination. This strategic initiative will position Bericap Group for sustained growth and success in the dynamic global marketplace.
Earlier, I was not knowing who manufactures. We all drink the soft drinks and mineral waters and all those juices, but no one knows who manufactures the closures, which is very interesting. So when I came to know that behind these closures, basically Bericap manufacture these closures.
The new Global IT Centre is designed to streamline IT services and drive digital transformation across Bericap's worldwide operations.
Good transition. We had a general manager meeting in India for the first time, where all the general managers of 30 companies across the world came to India, and we could showcase our Indian culture as well as our capabilities. And that is the reason they also thought that India is a sort of a country for growth. So it's been a fantastic journey, and I'm really proud to be part of this team.